I have a ton of game projects that I either abandoned or put on indefinite hiatus. Am I proud of it? No. Am I doing something about it? Hey, I'm Nagi, and in this video, I'll show you my journey of making an arcade mobile game and the struggles of publishing it. Back in 2018,
oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the f?
I participated in one of the weekly game jams. The theme for the jam was Tunnel. I think. Spoiler alert, I missed the deadline by like 5 years. But as a true game developer that I totally am, I kept developing the game long after the jam. Like really long. Like 5 years. Let's talk about the game. Initially, I came up with the idea of a frog stuck in a train tunnel, avoiding the oncoming trains. Oh, and don't worry about the ugly art. I changed it. Like twice. Or thrice. Look, the point is it looks good now. Avoiding the trains got boring fast. So, I added an additional challenge of eating bugs. And the idea just clicked. To spice things up, I added some variety to the type of bugs the frog could eat. Then, to add a sense of progress, I added a timer, which in hindsight was quite useless. The hunger meter, on the other hand, now that was interesting. The meter would keep moving to the right and could be moved to the left by eating bugs. If it reached the right end, the frog would starve. But if you managed to get the meter to the left end, the game would level up. I found it hard to focus on the progress meter at the bottom with the trains coming from the top. So I moved the UI a bit and it started to look and function a bit better. Oh, and I even added some more frog skins for the player. To finish the project, I made a pause menu, a settings menu, and a title screen. Now, I don't have any footage, but trust me when I say this, my friends loved playtesting the game.
I love playtesting this game.
I knew I made something worth playing. Nothing could possibly go wrong from here. One key thing that I forgot to mention was that I was developing this game on my phone using the Love2D framework. Now, this process worked like charm when it came to developing the game. Publishing, however, yeah, you can't really do that from a phone. So, naturally, I forgot about the project and moved on. Until...
We're back, baby.
I finally had a computer of my own and had been learning more about the Godot game engine for a few months now. One day, I thought about remaking the game in Godot, and oh boy, the process was such a breeze. Partly because of the large screen, yes, but also because Godot was such a treat to work with. I made new art for the game, made better animations, sound effects, power-ups, menus, a bugs gallery, and blood. I'm gonna have to look into that one. The hunger meter was much simpler to understand now. The current level showed up at the bottom, and with each new level the trains ran faster. You could unlock new frog skins using the bugs you eat as currency. With that, I completely remade the game with such ease it felt like cheating. I posted a short trailer on my YouTube. Oh, and then I completely forgot about the project. Again. Until... After much struggle with finding my way around the Google Play console website, seriously Google, hire a UI UX developer. Whippid will be available for download from the Play Store for free as soon as this video goes live. Links in the description. Be sure to give the game a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, while I sit here with my medal proving I finally published a game. My first ever proper game. I hope you enjoyed watching this weird devlog of mine. Once again, make sure to try out my game Whippid from the Play Store. The dopamine from the downloads will go directly into my 2 brain cells to help me create more games. Until next time, remember the best frog in the game is
happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama.